Hey guys, welcome to my channel and I am Shravya. Today we are going to make apple kheer. List of ingredients and quantity required are in the description. If you like the video, click on the like button and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload a new video. And let's start cooking now. Heat a pan, add ghee and let it melt. Once the ghee is melted, add grated apple. I peeled the skin of apple before grating. I didn't want any of the wax present on the skin of apples in my dish. But you can keep the skin on if you want. There will be no difference in the taste. It's fine even if the grated apple is oxidized and discolored. We are anyway going to cook it and change the color. Now let the apple cook. It will first release water like this. In the next stage, it's going to get mushy like this. And in the last stage, as you can see, all the mixture starts to get into a lump like this. At this point, add milk that is already boiled and cooled down to room temperature. Mix slowly and leave it. Let it come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil like this, turn the flame to lowest, add sugar and let it melt. While the sugar is melting, add green cardamom powder and cinnamon powder. Cinnamon always goes well with the apples. But if you don't like the taste of it, you can completely skip the cinnamon. Now add the chopped dry fruits. I used almonds and pistachios. You can use your favorite type of dry fruits. Save some for later. Make sure the sugar is melted, switch off the flame and your apple kheer is ready. Transfer it into a dessert bowl and have your treat. Apple kheer can be eaten both hot and cold as your heart desires. But don't forget to add some more dry fruits just before you eat to have that crunch. That's it for today guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any suggestions and video requests, you can always write in the comment section. Try the recipe and let me know how it turned out. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.